Hello friends and welcome to my video. So Stability AI just released Stable Doodle. Stable Doodle is a version of Stable Diffusion which I understand is based on SDXL and it accepts your doodles as some kind of an image prompt. So as you can see, I'm here in clipdrop.co. If you go to clipdrop.co, amongst the tools you will find there is Stable Doodle. So if you go to Stable Doodle, you will find a page like this. Now I am actually in my iPad because it's much easier to use the Apple Pencil, the Stable Doodle program. But if you are using it in a computer or a laptop, you might have to use your mouse to draw your doodles. So I figured it's probably best to use it on a iPad, or if you have another tablet with a pen, probably that's where the fun is. So it's really simple, as you can see. It gives you a very basic interface. You can draw your doodle here, and then you enter a prompt, and then you specify what kind of an image you want. So I'm going to show you. It's a very simple tutorial, nothing to it. So I think I'm going to draw an ocean scene or something. So okay, there's going to be the sun. So this is the sun. I hope it becomes the sun in the end. And there's some cloud. And there's a sailing ship here. Just gonna draw the sailing ship. It's a very rough doodle. There is nothing to it actually. It's a very rough doodle. Let's see what happens. And maybe we have some sailors. Okay, and now let's do the prompt here. Sailing boat in the ocean. And let's add the sun and the cloud as well. So sun, cloud, in the sky. Okay, so we are done. So a few more things you can try. You can set what kind of image you want. If you click on here, for example, you can either create a photograph or a fantasy art, or you can create a comic book like art. It can be cinematic, it can be a pixel art, it can be anything. So let me try pixel art and let's see what do I get. Let's generate this. So it's going to take the information from my doodle and try to come up with the best possible representation based on my prompt here. So let's see what happens. So yeah, you can see definitely the first image and the third image are similar to the idea that I proposed, but I think I want to try something else because as good as they look, pixel art is pixelated. So let's try something else. Let's try cinematic and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's now try it with the cinematic style. So you can see it actually gives a great image. So now we've got really great images going on. So as you can see, it's not really accurate to what you have actually drawn. Okay, it does have a sun, it does have a cloud, and it does have the boat in the center. So it's not really bad. Now I've been trying to see if there's a way to upload a better looking doodle that I might have created using Stable Diffusion line art, but I couldn't find any way to use that. So I guess we have to wait and see if Stability AI actually improves the interface and allows us to upload better doodles. So people who does not have an Apple Pencil or any kind of stylus can actually stick the drawing inside their Photoshop and then upload it. But so far this is actually fun. You can actually try interesting things, especially if you have an iPad or any tablet with a pen or pencil. So they have this example here where they have a very rough all looking doodle and they have converted it to a photo which looks really great, and then it can be a 3D all or it can be a pixel art. So these are actually great examples where you can draw in something very roughly and you still get a very good result, still get very good image. There are some other examples of different kind of doodles that you can do. So in this example, we see that the outline is very rough. There is absolutely no detail at all, and still it was able to create different kinds of furnitures based on that doodle alone. And there are some other kinds of example. So there's a doodle of a very rough looking landscape. If you showed it to me, I wouldn't even know if it's a landscape. But using all these styles, you can see that it was able to create all these great looking landscape. So once again, the cinematic landscape looks really, really awesome. So these are the various things that I think you can try. You should definitely give it a go and place your amazing doodle an SDXL artwork inside this group, which is Stable Diffusion Doodle group. Inside this group, I'll show you the group. So we have a group. We don't have a lot of members now, but it is dedicated towards your doodle images, stable doodle images. So if you're watching this video, please join this group. You'll find the link under the video. So do your doodles, show your creativity, and join the group. See you again next week. Bye.